I hit this issue today and here the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to cancel your Paramount Plus subscription, follow these steps to make it easy. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Paramount Plus website and log in using your credentials. This will take you to your account dashboard where you can manage your subscription. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for your profile icon in the upper right corner. Click on it and select account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Find subscription details. In the account settings, scroll down to the subscription section. Here, you will see details about your current plan and billing information. Step 4. Click on cancel subscription. Look for the cancel subscription option and click on it. You may be prompted to confirm your choice or provide a reason for cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to check for a confirmation email to ensure your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Remember, if you're on a free trial, you might not see the cancellation option until the trial period is over. Good luck, and I hope this helps you manage your subscriptions better.